Could you start by telling us your name, your institution, and your role?
My name is Fiona Serack, and I am a research scientist at the Broad Institute.
And then can you describe your SCGE research project in a couple sentences?
Project is working on a therapy for prion disease, trying to kind of get rid of the protein before it can misfold and go bad. And we're trying to do this with a new epigenetic editor called CHARM, and using this to essentially turn off the gene so the protein can't be made. And this project involves a lot of optimizing of the editor itself, as well as the delivery techniques to try and make it as effective, but also as safe as possible.
Great. And then what specifically do you work on within the research project?
Cool. So I guess essentially what I do is kind of preclinical testing. So designing a lot of the animal studies that we're doing, running the actual studies, and then collecting and analyzing the data, obviously with a lot of help from other team members, and then kind of going back, designing new studies and doing it all over again.
What's your favorite thing about either this research or research in general?
Yeah, I think for this research, honestly, it's the team. The team that we have here at the Broad on the project is fantastic. They're really great people to work with. It's a lot of fun, but you're also learning all the time. It's kind of just crazy to see how much work we get done in a short period of time because everyone's super dedicated, super into it. And I think you kind of leave every meeting having learned something new, but generally having a good time as well.
And then what's something cool or interesting or unexpected that you found in your research?
That's a good question. Gene editing is a new field for me. This is kind of my first foray into it. So honestly, everything's pretty cool and interesting to me at this point. I think something that's kind of stood out is seeing, the numbers of 10 years ago where people predicted gene editing was going to be, and that, it really is kind of happening. Like we're in the future. This is all happening right now. And I think just getting to be part of this, like really forefront research and seeing all that happening is really exciting.
What's an advancement that you think will happen in genome editing or gene therapy in the next 10 years or so?
Yeah, I think one of the things I'm really hoping for is just improvement and understanding kind of the safety and what's going on with gene editing when we put it in humans. And with so many more trials and so many more things approved, I think we're just going to be able to learn so much more about what's actually happening, and then hopefully be able to design things that are that much more safer and then hopefully that much more effective.
Is there anything else you would like to say about your research project or the SCGE consortium more broadly?
Overall, it's been a great experience. I love being at the SCGE meetings and just really getting to see all the really cool, exciting work all the teams are doing. And, you just leave all those meetings feeling like the future is now, like this is something that's really big, and it's really exciting. And I can't wait to see what happens next.